Welcome to our Health Lifestyle channel, where we feature different videos showing tips, fun facts, and natural remedies for some of the most common health problems. Please hit the like button and share our videos. Do you want to be updated whenever we upload new videos on our channel? Hit the subscribe button now. Chicken and rice salad with ginger sesame dressing. With a ginger, sesame, and lime dressing, this colorful chicken and rice salad is packed with flavor. Enjoy it for an easy dinner or lunch. This chicken and rice salad was a great recipe to prepare earlier in the day, because it can be enjoyed cold, straight from the refrigerator. It's made with brown rice, which I prepare on the stovetop using my perfect brown rice recipe or with my Instant Pot brown rice recipe. If you like our channel, share with your friends. Press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.